Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss Chapter 8 Algebraic Expression of R.S. Agrawal. Because in previous video we discussed NCERT everything. Now in this video we will discuss question based on algebraic expression in R.S. Agrawal, which is different from NCERT. Clear, student? So now come to the exercise 8A. So student, this is exercise 8A. Clear, students? So now come to the question. We will start from question number 1. Question number 1, it is given, write the following using literal numbers and sign of basic operation. Yani you have to form the expression, using general sign like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Clear, student? The first question is given, x increased by 12. X increased by 12. Question number 1, first, x increased by 12. Clear, student? So here you know that increase means what? The sign of plus. Clear? And x is given, x is your what? X is your variable. You can write down x, and increase means plus sign. Write down plus and here 12. Clear, student? So this is our appropriate equation for the statement. X is increased by 12, yani x plus 12. Clear, student? Now similarly come to the next question. Well, you have to focus on the concept. Everything you will do yourself. What is given? Y decreased by 7. Question number 2, y decreased by 7. Clear, student? Yani y decreased by 7. Yani you will write down first what? You will write down 7 and y decreased by 7. So decrease means what, student? Decrease means minus. You will write down minus and here y. Clear, student? Yani y decreased by 7. Clear? This is our second question. Decrease means you know that minus sign, and increase means you know this plus sign. Clear? You have to remember this. Now come to the next question. Next is given, the product of x and y added to their sum. The product of x and y is added to their sum. Clear, student? Now what is given? The product of x and y is added to their sum. Clear, student? So product of x and y, you know that. Product means you know that, student. Product means the sign of multiplication. Yani product of x and y. Yani x and y. This is our what? This is our product. Product equal to x into y. Clear, student? And next is given sum. You have to find out first, write down sum. Sum means you know that what? Sum means you know that simply addition. So write down x plus y. Clear, student? This is our product. This is our sum. Clear? Now what we have to do? The product of x and y is added to their sum. Clear, student? So product of x, y is added to their sum. So sum is what? Sum is x plus y. Clear, student? And the product of x and y you have to add in this. So write down in bracket and you have to add plus product is what? X into y. You can write down x into y. Clear, student? This is our equation for this. The product of x and y is added to their sum. Their product x into y, xy. Sum is x plus y and the equation is x plus y. Yani sum and product. Clear, student? I think this is clear. Now move to the next question. So our next question is, next question is given, student. Fourth. What is given? Fourth question this is. Fourth, not fourth. Come on. Another question. Question number 10. Come on, question number 10. X multiplied by itself, x multiplied by itself. Clear student? यानी you will write on x multiplied by itself, यानी multiply x. Clear student? तो x multiply by x equal to what? Equal to x square. Why x square student? You know that here 1 is given, here also 1 is given. So this one and this one become 2. Similarly, if x to power 3 into x to power 2 is given. Clear student? Yani this will become x power 3 and 2. It will become what? It will become 5. Clear student? So this is our equation. Now come to the next question. Next is like question number 12. What is given? Thrice x added to y squared. Thrice x added to y squared. Clear student? What is given? Thrice x added to y squared. अब student, you know that what is the meaning of thrice? Thrice means 3 multiply in anything. So you can write down 3 multiply by x. Clear student? And squared means, you know that student? Squared means जैसे x squared. X squared means x to the power 2. Squared means 2, you know that everyone? If xq is given, it means x to the power 3. Yani simply square, you know that square means 2 and thrice means 3. Clear student? Q means 3. So similarly you have to use thrice x added to y squared. Yani thrice x means 3x. Because thrice of x is 3 multiply by x here, 3 multiply by x added to y square, added to yani plus sign of y squared, you know that what student? Y square. Yani y squared means y to power 2. Y cube means y power 3. So this is our equation. Clear students? I think clear this one. Now move to the next question. So everything based on concept, when you understand one time constant, then you will be able to solve all question. So see carefully what is given. Now come to the next question. Next is 12 question I am discussing. What is given? 30. It is given x minus twice y. What is given? X minus twice y. Clear student? What is given? X minus twice y. Clear? So what you can write down? X. So x is given, minus sign, write down minus twice of y, yani 2y. Clear student? Why 2y? Because you know that twice of y means 2y. Clear? So this is our x minus 2y. If in this question it was given x minus from twice of y, so what you will write? You will write 2y first and x in last. But here it is given x minus twice y, yani x you will write down minus sign and 2y. Clear student? So this is our question number 30. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is given. Ranjit scored 80 marks in English and X marks in Hindi. What his total score in the 2 subject? Clear student? Question number 2 is given. 2 is given. Ranjit scored 80 marks in English. So in English, 80 marks. Clear student? In English 80 marks. Then now and X marks in Hindi. In Hindi, X marks. Clear student? Now you have to find out what is his total score in 2 subjects. So total score means, you know that total score. So total means, you know that what? Total means the sum of English and the sum of Hindi. Clear student? So English he got 80 marks. So you write down 80, or in Hindi he got how many marks? Plus X marks. Clear student? So total marks equal to 80 plus X. This is our equation. Clear student? Again I am going to repeat. 80 plus X. Now student, come to the question number 3rd. What is given question number 3rd student? First I will explain one thing. See carefully. what I am explaining, like if it is given b multiply by b multiply by b, clear student? So b multiply by b multiply by b, how many times b? So you can say sir 3 times, here 1 times 1 times 1 times, so you can write down b power 3, clear student? Now second, if it is written a multiply by a multiply by a into 15 times, clear student? If it is given a multiply by a multiply by a into 15 times, clear? It means what? It means a 15 times, clear student? So you have to see carefully in last what is given. If in last is not given, if you are able to count, then count it, clear? So by this you can find out. So now come to the question. Question are very easy based on this. What is given? Question number 3rd. First is given b multiply by b multiply by b, and how many times? 15 times, clear students? So what you can write down? You can write down b power 15, clear student? Because this is 15 times, you can write down b power 15. Now come to the next. Same question are given, student, you can solve. Like last question is given 5. What is given? 3 into z into z into z into y into y into x, clear student? This is given. You know that 3 multiply by what? Z. How many times z, student? So 1 2 3 times. You can write down z to power what? Z to power 3. And y is given, student, how many times? Y 1 times, and here 1 also 2. Yani you can write down y to power 2. This is 1, this is also 2. You have to count total. Yani 1 2 3, so z to power 3, 1 2, so y to power 2, and x is what? X is 1 times, so only write down 1. Clear student? So this is our 3 z to power 3, y to power 2, x to power 1. Clear student? I think this concept is clear to everyone, because this is very easy. Only you have to see carefully how many times are given. If how many times are not given, then you can count yourself. Clear student? Now move to the next question. Now in next question you have to solve the question reverse of this. Clear? Like if it is given x to power 3, it means what? If you want to write down in simpler form, you can write down x into x into x. Clear student? So similarly, what is given? This is given. Come on, question number 4th one. What is given? X square y to power 4. Clear student? So what you can write down? You can write down x how many times, students? 2 times. You can write down x multiply by x. Clear? Because x 2 times, y, come on y, you can write down y how many times? 4 times, na? So you can write down y into y into y into y. Yani how many times, student? 4 times. Clear? Now similarly you can solve all the question based on this. I am going to again explain one other example, like what is given? 4th question. 4th is given 10 a पे power 3, b पे power 3, c पे power 3. Clear student? So you can write down 10 to same, 10 is constant, a पे power 3 yani student, a how many times you will write down? A you will write down 3 times, because 3 is given, write down a 1 2 3. Clear student? B is given how many times, student? B is given also 3 times, so 1 2 3. Clear student? Now c is given how many times, student? 3 times. You can write down 1 2 3. Clear? So this is our expression. Clear student? I think you are able to understand. Now you will solve the question based on this. Clear student? Now come to the next exercise. Our next exercise is 8b. So exercise 8b. Now what is given this exercise, student? Come on this. This is very easy. Only you have to find out the value. Just what is given? A equal to 2 and b equal to 3. This is given the value a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Clear? What is given, you have to find out the value. So simply, let's say I am taking question number third. What is given? A b minus a square. अब you know that a b, it means a multiply by b, and a square means a multiply how many times? 2 times. You can write down directly, but I am explaining you. So a multiply by b यानी 2 multiply by, the value of a is 2 and the value of b, student, 3. You can write down 3 minus a multiply by a. So a is 2 into 2. Clear, student? So this is 3 2 ja 6 minus 2 2 ja, student, you can say 4. अब you know that 6 minus 4, it will give 2. Clear? So this is our correct answer. Clear? Only we have to see carefully what expression is given. Clear, student? Now again, I am going to take next example, and rest of question you will do yourself. What is given? Like question number 5. Question number 5. 5 is given 5a square minus 2ab. 2ab. Clear, student? अब now I think you are understand a square means a multiply by a 2 times. अब the value of a equal to 2 and the value of b equal to 3. b equal to 3. Same process you will apply. 5 into a square, student, means a multiply how many times? 2 times. So write down 2 into 2 minus 2ab is given, student. So 2 into the value of a is 2. Write down 2. The value of b is 3. Write down 3. Clear, student? So now 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 12. So write down here 12. Sorry, not 12. 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20. So write down 20 minus 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So write down 12. So this will give what? This will give 20 minus 12. This will remain 8. Clear, student? So this is our correct answer. Clear, student? Now I think you are able to solve the question based on this. Well, you have to see the equation carefully. What is given? 5a square minus 2ab. तो 5a square यानी a multiply by a, ab यानी a multiply by b. I think everything is clear. Now move to the next question. All question are same, student. Only you have to focus. Now what is given? Question number 2. Come on, question number 2. One question I will explain because same concept is given. What is given? X equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 5. This is given, student. Clear? So now what is given? I am going to explain question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. Clear? What is given? 2x square minus 3y square, 2x square minus 3y square plus z square. Clear, student? This is given. Now अब you have to solve the question. You know that 2 to 2 same, x square यानी student you know that x multiply by how many times? 2 times. You can write down 1, the value of x is 1, multiply by 1 minus 3 is given, multiply y square यानी how many times y you will multiply? 2 times यानी 2 multiply by 2 because the value of y is 2. Clear, student? So 2 multiply by 2. Now next is plus z square is given, student. So z, the value of z is 5. So you can write down 5 multiply by 5. Is that clear, students? Now come to the quotient. 2 1 ja 2, write down 2 minus 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. So write down 12 plus 5 5 ja 25. Clear? Now what you will do? First I explain you. In integer, first you will add, then you will subtract. So first you will add, this is 2 and this is 25. Here plus sign is given and here 2 is given. Here nothing is given and it is plus. It is understood. So 25 plus 2. This will become, student. So you will say 27. Clear? Now this is given what? This is given 12. So minus 12. You know that 7 minus 2 it will become 5 and 2 minus 1 it will become 15. So 15 is our correct answer. Clear student? This is our correct answer. So you have to solve the question like this. Only you have to focus what is given and you have to put the value. This is very easy. Clear student? So this is our answer. Now come to the next question. Question number 3 is also based on this. You will try yourself. Now I am going to explain question number 4. Write the coefficient of. Now what is coefficient, student? First I will explain what is coefficient, because this is different thing. It is not mentioned in CRT. Acha. So now come on coefficient. Let's say if I am writing 4x y. Clear student? So coefficient means, student, if I want to know the coefficient of x. If I want to know the coefficient of x. So what is the mean of this? You have to find the other digits or the other variable are constant except the number which coefficient you have to find out. Like you have to find out the coefficient of what? Coefficient of x you have to find out. Clear? So what you will do? You will left the x and write down the rest of the constant and variable. What is mean of this? You have to find out the coefficient of x. So x, left x. You have to write down what is left? 4 left and y left. To write down coefficient of x equal to 4y. Clear student? Similarly, if you have to write down coefficient of what? Y. Clear? So what I explained? You have to left the variable are constant which of which coefficient you have to find out. Coefficient of y you have to find out. So what you will left? You will left y. And what left? 4 and x. So write down 4x. Clear? Similarly, if you have to find out coefficient of 4. Clear? So what you will do? You will left 4 and write down rest of them. The coefficient of 4 is x, y. Clear student? I think this is clear everyone. Now move to the question. What is given? Question 4th. First question taking. First, what is given? You have to find out coefficient of x in 13x. Very simple student. You have to find out coefficient of x. So what you will do? You will left x and write down what? Which one? Left. So what left? 13. You will write down coefficient of x equal to what? Equal to 30. Because you have to left the x. Clear student? Now again I am going to explain another example and rest of question I think you will solve. You can solve yourself. Like it is given question number 6. Y square in 8x y square z. Clear student? What is given? You have to find out coefficient of y square in 8x y square z. Clear student? So what you will do? Y square is given, to left y square and write down what? What is left? So what is left? 8xz. So we will write down coefficient of y square equal to what? Y square you will left 8xz. Is that clear student? So this is our solution. So coefficient of y square equal to 8xz. I think you are able to solve question based on this. Clear? Now come to the next question. Next question is even question number 5. Write the what? Numerical coefficient. What is numerical coefficient, student? Numerical means, as name indicate, numerical means only number. Clear student? Numerical means what? Numerical means only number. Like if 5z is given. So what is the numerical coefficient in this, student? You can say easily, sir, 5 is the numerical coefficient because 5 is the number. Clear? So similarly, now come to the question. Question number 5.1. What is given? A, B. Now tell me what is the numerical coefficient? You can say, sir, there is no numerical coefficient of AB. So you are wrong. Why? Because if nothing is given, it means here 1 is given. If nothing is given, yani 1 is given. Yani numerical coefficient of AB equal to what? 1. Nothing is given, yani 1 is present. Clear? This is understood. Now come to the next Last example I am going to take. It is given like fourth minus 2 x to the power 3 y square z. Clear student? You have to write down what? Numerical coefficient. Up here you can see this is variable, this is variable, this is variable. Only 2 is given, and remember if plus sign is given, so there is no need of writing. But if minus sign is given, you have to write down, because plus is understood. Clear? If nothing is given, any plus sign is given, you know that. But if minus is given, so you will never be left. You have to write down. So what is this? A numerical coefficient in this. So you can write down minus 2 is the what? Numerical coefficient. In your copy you have to also write down like this. जैसे minus 2 is the numerical coefficient. Clear student? I think the concept of numerical coefficient is clear to everyone. Now come to the next question. So our next question is given.